Hello, this is Jeremiah from At Your Pace Online. I'm going to be demonstrating the e-commerce setup / integration. To start, let's go ahead and click one of our categories. Now I'm going to click one of our subcategories. Let's go with Minnesota. Now that we're on the Minnesota contracting page, I'm going to give you a brief description on how we laid this out. So the first one, Minnesota contracting CE requirements. This is all database driven. We are grabbing this image right here from the database, and we are also grabbing this summary of the requirements from the database. All of these courses, so there's the 14-hour, 7-hour CE1 and the 7-hour CE2. These are all populated from Moodle. We are also grabbing the cost from Moodle as well, and I will show you later on in this demonstration on how you can change that. To start, let's go ahead and purchase one of these courses. I can show you what it looks like on that end. So let's purchase the 14-hour. Okay, so we have the ability to add promo codes for courses, and we also have the ability to create master promo codes that work for all courses. Just to demonstrate that, I'm going to use one of our master promo codes. And as soon as I do that, it takes 10% off that course. So I'm going to go ahead and fill out the form. And I'm just using test for the fields because it's a test transaction. Now let's go ahead and go to the checkout. Now that I'm at the checkout, you see fields where I can enter my credit card information and then the summary of the course that I'm purchasing. Let's go ahead and fill this out. Purchase our course. Now that we have purchased the course, we can click this login button and it'll take us straight into the Moodle. Now I just wanted to say I put the shopping cart in test mode so I can do that transaction. Usually it would kick back and say the credit card was invalid, but for testing purposes I put it in test mode. So let's go ahead and click login to go into our course. As you can see, I am now logged in as test, which is the account that I just created, and I am signed up for the Minnesota Residential Contractor 14-hour course. I could go ahead and go inside and view all the various material. Now I'm going to demonstrate how we can change the fields that are populated on the front page. Log out and log in as me. Now that I am logged in as an administrator account, I can modify settings on courses. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the Minnesota contractor course. So contracting is a category and the subcategory is Minnesota. So we're going to go find Minnesota. And then we're going to find the 14-hour course. So that's the one I bought with my test account. What we're going to do is we're going to scroll down and we're going to edit the settings of the course. Now in here I have the ability to change the cost of the course. I can add a promo code and set the value, and I can make it a percentage or a dollar amount. And then this is the description of the course that I was explaining earlier. I'll go to that page and show you for an example. So let's click contracting and then let's go to Minnesota. So now that I scroll down, so this is the Minnesota category. So if I were to go into the settings of the Minnesota category, I would see all of this. So I'm in the course Minnesota Residential Contractor 14-hour CE. I'm in the settings in Moodle, and if I go here, you can see in the description, our online course is approved by the state and will meet your renewal requirements. If I were to go over here to the front page of Tradesman, you'll see our online course is approved by the state and will meet your renewal requirements. As you can see, all of this is database driven, and the cost can be changed as well in the Moodle settings. Now I'm going to log out. I'm going to show you an example of a did not purchase. So let's go find a class, and the shopping cart is not in testing mode anymore. Let's go click a category, and then let's click a subcategory. Let's do Minnesota again. Now I'm going to purchase the 14-hour course. Now I'm going to put test information in again. Let's go to the checkout. Now that I'm at the checkout, I'm going to enter an invalid credit card number. Let's click purchase. As soon as I click purchase, it kicks back an error and says that the credit card number is invalid. Now I have the option to retry, and I can continue to go through the checkout with a valid credit card number. We built something called Cane. Inside Cane there's a module called Web Contacts. In 10 minutes, the did not purchases will be populated into Web Contacts, and we will immediately be able to assist that customer and try to make the sale. That concludes the video on the e-commerce solution. Again, my name is Jeremiah, and I'm from At Your Pace Online, and I would like to thank you for giving us the opportunity to present this to you.